talking about the dock, and we kind of started a little bit into the dock of the Mac OS X. Kind of left off at, just kind of looking at the dock here, and we looked at some of the preferences, and I keep my dock at the bottom. I think it's easy enough. I don't do a whole lot of mouse. Once you move your mouse down, the dock just comes up like that. If you have it on the left, it's going to come up. If you have it on the right and you move the mouse over, it's going to come up. You can't keep it on the top though. You can only do it to the left, the right, or the bottom. So I keep mine at the bottom, and pretty much there I go. I just drag my mouse down, the dock shows up, and I go, okay. Well, what program do I want to open today? Alright, hey, I like GarageBand. I'm not a musician, but I'm going to open that right up. So you just click once and voila, here comes the program. It is opening, it's initializing, and soon we'll have GarageBand. I am by all means not a musician at all, so bear with me here. This is just one of the songs it came with, but I'm not really kind of showing you GarageBand here, but you get the idea. So that's how you access your application through the dock. Now here's the cool part. Let's say I don't really want QuickTime here, so I want to kind of keep the dock small. I don't use QuickTime a whole lot, so I'm going to get rid of this shortcut to the application. Well, that's easy. All you got to do is click on the icon, and then you can select remove from the dock, but I like this feature better. You grab it and you drag it all the way up and poof, it disappears. Can you believe that? It's like a magic trick, and as you can see, it is no longer there. Let's say I want to put that back. So I'll go to my Macintosh hard drive, applications, and where it says QuickTime Player, I just click on it, hold the mouse button down, drag that icon down to my dock, and I usually like to keep it right next to this line here, and boom, there it is. My QuickTime Player is back.